Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness on your HP ProBook 450 G2 laptop. So in order to adjust brightness on your PC, you'll have to use shortcuts. They consist of the FN button located right here. So you just press and hold it, and then click either on the F9 to decrease the brightness of your screen, or F10 to increase it. And that's basically how you manage brightness on your PC. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.